This is a quick unboxing of Audio Technica ATH-CLR100BK, which I purchased from Amazon at 599 rupees. I'm going to quickly go through the box and see what all things are there inside. Here is the box. I'm going to cut it right now to see. Try and remove it from here. It'll come out, so I think it's better I cut it. Okay, so this is how it is packed by Amazon. It's priced at $6.99, the MRP, and I got it for $5.99. It has got the month and year of packing. That's September 2016. Imported by Origin Marketing Private Limited, Rajasthan. It's probably made in China over here. Let's look at the front. This is the cord wrap which protects the earphones from getting mishandled. Now let's cut it and see. That's how it is taken out. It's pretty decent packing. This thing, it comes out. These are the additional extra earplugs with some information. Different languages. Keep it aside. Let's check the build quality. Okay, the build quality is pretty cheap. It is not of a really good quality headphones that you get. It's pretty long. It's 1.2 meters. The plastic used is pretty cheap. It's already getting entangled. So I'm gonna come back with a review after I use them for a few days. Till then, thank you and bye bye.